Well, you guys, I just had a big lunch, so now I'm going to change my clothes, get outside, and work my ass off on this Ford racing mower. I'm gonna drain the oil out of this thing so I can tip this engine wherever I want without hydrolocking it. Not nearly as heavy as the Kohler engines. Yeah. Oh, please. Yeah! Got the engine out. Now you can flip this sucker right over. Alright. Ready? This one. Good. Yeah. Alright, line shit up without freaking, holding the transaction like that. And just freaking pop. Got everything freaking started. How's this? So I got my transmission into place. It's probably going to go about an inch or two lower down to the frame. And I'll do that by boxing this out and then welding something up so then, my transmission can be bolted down and then bolt it down over here too. And that should work pretty good. And then over here, I'm running the belt. I'm going to run it in between the steering column and this tune-to-be brake. This was the PTO, but since it lines up pretty good with the brake over here, that's what I'm going to probably be using. So I'll go in between those two, so if I ever break a belt, I can swap it out with no problems. And then I'm probably going to take this whole assembly right here, the whole front end, and bring it down low, because as you can see, it does kind of a Z type thing. It goes from here and then over and then over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it, try to do a straight line so then I can have one belt from there to the engine. So as you can see, I got the steering off and whatnot. Now what I plan on doing is cutting these welds off and sliding this whole part that's shaped like a Z, because you know how the frame goes like this. Instead of having it like that, I'm going to do it straight. So I'm going to cut all the welds here and drop this down so it sits right on top of the channel that's going on right now. There we go. Now I can tuck that right to there. Flatter than shit. So no more of that Z bull crap. We got a nice straight frame now. So now I'm gonna figure out where I want to put it and weld her up. Stop recording real quick. Both of them off, we're done. So as you can see, I got that side welded up, got that side welded up, and I actually have my tires from my first build I made. So this thing's gonna get low to the ground, we're gonna get the engine lower, we're gonna get the front tires lower, all at the same time. So there's a little bit of the profile. You can see I want those tires real close to the fender, and then those tires, since that whole frame was way up there, it'll drop the tires straight down, so the nose will sit real low. And then I'm actually probably going to channel out some of the frame here, and then put this in lower. So it's coming along pretty quick. It's being built Ford Tough.